Two kids with the exact same ChatGPT account. One uses it for funny answers and homework. The other shipped 3 apps last summer. Same tool. Different brain. Today we steal the second kid's brain. Builders run a loop. Idea, prompt, output, critique, iterate, ship. 6 words. Memorize them. Anytime you're stuck, name the step you're on. The fix is almost always you skipped one. Critique. Most kids skip critique. They prompt, they get a may result, they shrug, they post. Builders look at the may result and ask, what specifically is wrong? That one question is the entire difference. Watch the loop in action. My annoying problem. I can never decide what to eat after school. Idea. AI snack chooser. Prompt. Give me 3 snack ideas based on what's in my fridge. Yogurt, leftover rice, apples. Output. 3 solid suggestions. Critique. Doesn't account for I just had yogurt. Iterate. Reprompt with that. Ship. Take a screenshot, send it to the family chat. Done. Took 90 seconds. That's the loop. Now you open your notebook. Write one annoying problem in your life. Doesn't matter if it's small, what to wear, what to eat, study schedule, allowance tracking. Then write 3 ways AI might help. That's it. 3 lines. We'll come back to this list in Module 7 and build one of them. Repeat after me. Idea, prompt, output, critique, iterate, ship. Builders ship. Users scroll. You picked the right side. Last episode of Module 0 next, the golden rule. The one ethics line you don't cross. Then we're loose on the rest of the course. See you there.